Welcome back to my channel. Hello everyone. Hope you all are doing good today. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about consistency. How to be consistent, okay, to achieve the desired results what you need. And I'm going to reveal 5 major things, 5 key points which really work for me to be consistent, and I'm sure it's going to work for you as well. So watch till the end and enjoy the video. Being consistent is a question of behavior management, right? Why do I say this? I mainly say this, it's because it is the consistency which leads you to success, right? Now I want you to look at it this way. I want you to consider yourself as a CEO of your life. So how you motivate yourself, how you demotivate yourself, and you can also fire yourself. So you are a CEO of your life and you are completely in charge of how you take your life, right? Now, as you all know, and most of the experts have always said that doing a certain thing, okay, or performing a certain activity or a task consistently is very important to get the desired results, right? So why is it important to get the desired results? Because if you are doing it only now or then, or not being consistent, then definitely you're not going to achieve what exactly you need. So a very important thing for you to be consistent is the repetition. Repetition is really very important. Now I want you to all to challenge yourself that you will be doing a certain task or an activity and repeating it for a period of 1 month. Why I say this? It is mainly because when you repeat it for a period of 1 month consistently, then it becomes a habit. And when it becomes a habit, you subconsciously are going to do it even after a month, right? So that's one thing. The second thing is very important, is like, why do you want to do it? So know your why. Knowing your why is really very important. Now for example, if you want to save a certain amount because you want to buy a certain thing, so you know that why you want to do it. Similarly, as an entrepreneur, if you don't know why you need financial freedom, if you don't know why you want to achieve a dream life, or you don't know why you want to be successful, then you will be dabbling around and always thinking, or always be lost thinking that, because you don't know your why. So know your why. Your why is really very important. The third important thing to be consistent is the motivation, right? Now motivation is a matter of choice, okay? So you decide, or you choose if you want to be motivated, or you choose if you want to be demotivated, right? It is an ability which you will be, okay, motivation is basically an ability for you to perform beyond your comfort zone. So you have to take uncomfortable actions. You have to be motivated enough that why you want to do a certain thing, and it's really very important. Now let's suppose, for example, you have a weight loss goal, okay, that you want to lose around, let's say, about 4 to 5 kilos before the end of the year. Now for you to understand, for you to do this, you have to be completely motivated that why you want to do it, why do you want to lose weight, and to lose weight, what are the things which you're going to repeat it, like doing exercise every day, following a certain diet plan, and staying motivated is really very important for you to achieve any kind of a goal, right? That's really important. And the fourth thing is prioritize. You need to prioritize your things. You need to understand that why is it important and how is it important. If you don't have a certain priority, okay, then it becomes really difficult for you to achieve what exactly you need, because what really happens is, like, you don't know your priorities, okay, and you are always lost that why exactly you have to prioritize things. Now if my priority is like to let's say, for example, to hit $10,000 before end of this year, then I need to understand that how am I going to do it. So if you actually see all of the things which I'm talking about in consistency, it's all correlated, which means repetition, then knowing your why, motivation, as well as prioritizing what exactly you need and why exactly you need is really very important, right? If you don't have your priorities, then you really are not going to achieve what exactly you need. The fifth thing which really works is like keeping a track of your progress. Whatever you are achieving every single day, track it. Okay, probably have a journal, or maybe write it somewhere, or maybe have a vision board where you are having you are having in front of you, and you're tracking your progress every single day. If you track your progress every single day, then definitely it helps you to achieve what exactly you need, and it will help you to be consistent in what exactly you want. And guys, it's really important, if anybody has a dream, a vision, then it's really important to be consistent. After the mindset, the second thing which really plays a very major role is being consistent. If you're not consistent, then most likely you are going to fail, right? So these are the 5 things which have really worked out for me, and I'm just sharing it with you, so probably it's gonna work out for you as well. Okay, hope you've enjoyed this video today, and I'm sure if you implement all of these key factors which I spoke about consistency, I'm sure you're going to achieve the desired results. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, do subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notification, so as soon as we upload a new video, you have the notification. Do give me a like on this video, comment down below on what kind of videos you want me to come up with, and do share with your family and friends. Okay, so I definitely need your support. And before I go, I would also like to add across that in the description box I have left a link where you will know how exactly to set up your online business in next 30 days. That's through the One Funnel Away challenge. So do grab the link, sign up for the One Funnel Away challenge, and be a successful online entrepreneur. All right, thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.